So this is a simple PowerPoint or video to just revise the main tenses in Spanish. We start with the present tense, which is I do or I eat, things we do normally, things we do usually or habitually on a regular occasion. So we take the infinitive, which is the verbs ending in a, and ir. Then we remove these last two letters to form our stem, and then we add in the order I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. AR goes o, as, a, amos, I, san. So the AR off and add O for I, AS for you, A for he, she, and it, etc., etc. ER, OSE, emos, AS, end. IR, almost the same, OSE, imos, is, en. So, and some irregulars are tener, to have, which is also radical changing. Tengo, tienes, tiene, tenemos, tenéis, tienen, in that order, I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. Ser, to be, soy, eres, es, somos, soy, son. And ir, to go, voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van. An example, normalmente bebo mucha agua. Normally I drink lots of water. So bebo comes from the verb beber, ER verb. We've taken the ER off and we've added O. So remember, they always go in this order. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. And if you've learnt the formal you as well, formal you singular would be this one here. Formal you plural would be this one here. Okay, so that's the present tense. Near future, going to do something. So we take the verb ir, to go, in the present tense, and then we add a, and then any infinitive. Okay, so any infinitive is a verb ending in ar, ir, and ir. In English would be to something. So it's almost the same. So the verb to go goes voy, vas, va, vamos, vais, van. Okay, then we put an a, and then infinitive verb afterwards. There aren't any regulars at all for this because we just used this verb. So you just need to learn that verb. So example, voy a comer, I'm going to eat. Okay, present tense, I did or I went, finished in the past. Again, we take the infinitive, verbs ending in er, and ir. Remove these last two letters in the same order, I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. For ar, it's aste, o, amos, astes, aron. Ir and ir, iste, io, imos, istes, ieron. Okay. So irregulars might be ir, to go, goes to fui, fuiste, fue, fuimos, fuisteis, fueron, and unusually ser, to be, is exactly the same. So I went, fui, I was is also fui, so it would be to do with context, which one it would mean. Hacer, to do, hice, hiciste, hizo, hicimos, hicistes, hicieron. So remember, I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they. An example, visité España el año pasado. I visited Spain last year. The imperfect tense, meaning I was eating or I used to eat. It can also be used for description in the past, ongoing actions in the past. Again, we take the infinitive ending in AR, and IR, remove these last two letters. Then we add in this order, I, you, he, she, it, we, you, and they again. AR, aba, abas, aba, abamos, abais, aban. Ir and IR, ia, ias, ia, iamos, iais, ian. So three irregulars only in this tense. Ser, to be. Era, era, será, éramos, erais, serán. Ir, to go, iba, ibas, iba, ibamos, ibais, iban. And ver, slightly irregular, we keep the e. Veía, veías, veía, veíamos, veíais, veían. So example might be comía caramelos. I used to eat sweets. So remember this used for I used to, ongoing in the past, and description. Simple future, I will do something. This one, take the infinitive, we don't take anything away. There are a few irregulars, so look at those at the end. But it's any AR, ER, and IR verb in this order, and we add to the end of the word this time. So it's as, a, hemos, eis, an. There are some irregulars that have irregular stems, so the beginning bit is irregular, but the endings will be the same. So tener starts with tendre, so I will have would be tendré. Salir, to go out, saldr, so they will go out, will be saldrán. Hacer, to do or make, ar, so I will do, haré. So example, haré un pastel este fin de semana. I will make a cake this weekend. Comeremos en un restaurante. We will eat in a restaurant. So remember, for this one, we just take the infinitive ending AR and IR. We don't take anything away.